Term insurance is not for you. It's for the people who cannot imagine life without you. Hello friends. Today we are going to see in detail about term insurance. What is the eligibility criteria? What are inclusions, exclusion? What all riders are included? And also we are going to see what all documents are required during a claim process. Hi, this is Sharda Mundara Chandak from Cover Me Now. I have 7+ years of experience and an IRDA certified insurance advisor, helping many individuals and family take right financial decisions and secure their loved ones. Term insurance is basically जहाँ पे फैमिली के कोई भी अर्निंग मेंबर को अगर कोई मिस हैपनिंग हो जाता है इन फ्यूचर, सो कंप्लीट सम एश्योर्ड नॉमिनी को दे दिया जाता है, दैट टू इट्स टैक्स फ्री. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस विद एन एग्जांपल. मान लीजिए शशि who is around 35 year old, जिनके 2 बच्चे हैं, वाइफ है, एंड कल को उनका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस सिनेरियो? Who will pay home loans? Who will take care of the children's education? Who will take care of parents? All future expenses. So this is where term insurance will be helpful. मान लीजिए अगर शशि ने कोई टर्म इंश्योरेंस ले लिया है, देन वो सारा ही उनको यूज हो जाता, and that's how he would have secured his family. Most of us always think, what is the adequate sum assured? So it has to be almost 15 to 20 times of your annual CTC to maintain the same standard of living what you are living today. So next question आपके दिमाग में आता है कि कब तक कवरेज आपको लेना है. So basically different options available है. So you have whole life wherein आपका complete 99 years तक आपको term plan मिल जाता है. Then you have different options right from 5 year to whole life. Yes, you have to decide based on आपके पास कितने होम लोन्स चल रहे हैं, या कोई कार लोन है या पर्सनल लोन है, कब तक आपकी लायबिलिटी है. अगर आपका यंगर चाइल्ड है तो यंगर चाइल्ड के 30 या 35 ईयर्स तक आपकी लायबिलिटी डेफिनेटली बनी रहेगी. सो अकॉर्डिंगली यू हैव टू प्लान कि आपको कितने ईयर्स तक का टर्म प्लान लेना है. ऑल्सो देयर इज सेकेंड पार्ट टू इट. कुछ लोग इसे एज अ एस्टेट प्लानिंग भी लेते हैं, like coverage till 75, 80, 85. yes, आपके प्रीमियम्स डेफिनेटली हायर रहेंगे क्योंकि प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ इवेंट भी हाई हो जाती है. उनको लगता है कि सबसे कम प्रीमियम में आपको इतना ज़्यादा सम एश्योर्ड मिल जाता है. सो व्हेन यू वांट टू क्रिएट अ लेगेसी, देन यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फॉर हायर coverage years. There are different payment tenures in term insurance. So basically there are 2 categories. You have limited pay, then regular pay. So regular pay is basically if you are 30-year-old and you have chosen coverage till 70, so you will be paying all the premiums till 70, till you turn 70. And then limited pay is basically wherein you are paying it for less number of years. So you have options right from single pay, 5, 7, 10, 15. Then you have pay till 60. Pay till 60 means till you turn 60. So on different payment options, accordingly, insurer is going to charge you premiums. If you are going to take lesser number of payment options, then they are going to give you upfront discounts. So before you take the policy, do check on what options you get how much discount. So now we shall discuss upon the riders. So let us discuss upon critical illness rider. So this is a kind of lump sum benefit when you get the listed number of critical illness. So in every insurer, this list is varying. Some cover it for 20, some cover it for 64. Do check with your insurer how many critical illnesses are getting covered. And it is not that they will give you this lump sum amount as soon as critical illness is detected. So they have specific criteria, specific severity grades. So only then this rider will come into picture. Accidental death rider. This is again a kind of lump sum benefit. So this is when if your death is due to accident. Suppose you have taken a policy of 2 CR and in that you have put 50 lakh of accidental death benefit. Then insurer is going to pay you 2.5 CR. This is over and above your base sum assured. Permanent disability or a dismemberment rider. So every insurer is giving it a different name. So this is basically when due to accident, if there is any permanent disability like any 2 hands, any 2 legs or spine which are permanently damaged, only then you get this benefit. This is a kind of income benefit which is given to you upfront when you are alive. Next we have waiver of premium rider. So there are 2 kinds of waiver of premium. Waiver of premium on permanent disability Waiver of premium on critical illness. Like we discussed, the listed critical illness, when it is detected, you need not pay your future premiums. Same thing with permanent disability waiver, wherein you need not pay your future premiums if there is any permanent disability. This comes with a very low cost. You can definitely consider adding this rider. Spouse cover. In case if your spouse is non-working, you can definitely insure her as well. So maximum up till 1 year is what they offer you. Most of the insurers are also offering life stage options, wherein like if you're single now and on your major milestones, when you get married, they increase your some percent of sum assured. And then when you have a child, again your sum assured increases by some percent. So this is also one of the good options in case if you are not getting higher coverage when you start the policy. Terminal illness rider. This is one of the riders which all the insurers are giving free of cost. So basically if a patient is brain dead or in coma or any other important factor where doctor has clearly written it is 6 months or 1 year, then you get some part of sum assured upfront. Health management services. Most of the insurers are offering you this health management where sometimes they cover your diet consultations or they are doing some blood profiles. So you can check down on what kind of health management services are they offering. And also you have instant payout given on claim intimation. So these also maximum all the insurers are offering you. Return of premium rider. So इस राइडर में बेसिकली जितना भी प्रीमियम आपने पे किया है और अगर कोई इवेंट नहीं हुआ है तो आपको पूरा प्रीमियम वापस मिल जाएगा. बट इसमें आपको ये बात याद रखना है कि आप 1.3x ऑफ योर प्रीमियम पे करते हो इन केस इफ यू अवेल दिस राइडर. अर्ली एग्जिट और स्पेशल एग्जिट ऑप्शंस. मोस्ट ऑफ द इंश्योरर्स आर अगेन ऑफरिंग दिस ऑप्शन. सो जब भी आपकी पॉलिसी एंड होने में है उसके सम 5 ईयर टेन्योर से पहले से they start giving you this option of taking your entire premium back. अगर आपको लगता है कि अभी मेरी कोई liability नहीं बची है, so आप पूरा प्रीमियम ले सकते हो, आपके टर्म प्लान को वहीं पे टर्मिनेट कर सकते हो. Inclusions of term insurance. So basically any kind of death which is your natural death, critical illness death, accidental death, act of God, all this gets covered. And what is not covered is any kind of death which is related to adventurous activities. Suicide is not covered in the first year. Then anything which is against law. For example, if you're driving a motor vehicle which does not have motor insurance, then your term insurance won't go through. And also if there is any terrorism, riots, even then your term insurance won't go through. जब हम term insurance लेते हैं तब आप MWP Act भी आपकी पॉलिसी में डाल सकते हो. So this is basically Married Women's Protection Act, जिसके जरिए इन केस अगर आपके पास कोई लोन्स चल रहे हैं एग्जिस्टिंग, सो जब क्लेम होता है लोन्स के लिए फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन भी आपका क्लेम अमाउंट रख सकता है. बट इफ़ यू ऐड दिस एक्ट, आपके वाइफ या चिल्ड्रन को ही पूरा का पूरा अमाउंट जाएगा और कोई भी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन इस अमाउंट में से कोई अमाउंट नहीं ले सकती है. टर्म इंश्योरेंस लेते वक्त आपको इंश्योर करना है कि आप नॉमिनी नेम प्रॉपरली डालें एज पर द KYC डिटेल्स, नहीं तो आपके क्लेम रिजेक्शन होने के हाई चांस हो जाते हैं. एंड देन आपके मैंडेटरी मेडिकल्स होंगे. सो प्लीज एंश्योर दैट यू डिस्क्लोज ऑल योर प्री एग्जिस्टिंग डिजीजेज वेल. एंड इन केस इफ यू आर स्मोकर, आप स्मोकर मेंशन कीजिए. इन केस इफ यू आर टेकिंग अल्कोहल पे कोई एक्स्ट्रा प्रीमियम चार्ज नहीं होता है. इफ इट इज ऑन मॉडरेट लेवल, प्लीज डिस्क्लोज दैट एज वेल. इन केस इफ देर आर एनी क्लेम्स, these are the set of documents required. Eligibility criteria. So your income should be more than 5 lakh to be eligible for 1 year term plan. And in case if you're salaried, you get some salary discount in all the insurers. If you're female, also all of the insurers are providing you female discount along with salary discount. Coming to the premiums, if you're in between age 28 and if you're taking a 1 year term plan, your premium would be around 14 to 50,000 for coverage till 70 and pay till 60. If you are taking a 2 year term plan, your premium would be around 25 to 26,000 in most of the insurers. Yes, again premiums are different based on the insurer category and the number of years you choose for. मैंने पूरी कोशिश की है कि आपको टर्म इंश्योरेंस के मैक्सिमम डिटेल्स कवर कर दिया जाए, जहाँ पे पॉलिसी के इंक्लूजन्स, एक्सक्लूजन्स एंड देन जो भी राइडर्स अवेलेबल है सबके बारे में डिटेल जानकारी दिया जाए. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर कमेंट कीजिए, और अगर आप हमें कनेक्ट करना चाहते हो तो प्लीज़ कमेंट ऑन द व्हाट्सएप नंबर और फिल द गूगल फॉर्म ऑन द डिस्क्रिप्शन in case if you wish to buy policy from us. Please like, share and subscribe. Click on the bell icon to stay updated. This is Sharda from Kavamina. Stay secure, stay protected. Happy insurance.